see this. It's become really old. I really want to start this book today. Hello everyone and good morning. Welcome to a new vlog on my channel. Today's vlog is going to be different because today's vlog starts with me being at home and waking up aram say at 9 o'clock without an alarm. The reason of me being at home today is that yesterday it was raining a lot, like a lot. It was raining cats and dogs yesterday, so I thought that maybe colleges and schools will be shut today, but nothing of that sort happened. My college was working, but I think I had mentally prepared myself कि कल college नहीं जाना है, so I think that's why I didn't wake up in the morning. I missed my alarm and that's why I am home. So since we are at home today, I plan and I aim to complete some extra work जो usually नहीं होता मुझसे because of college. तो I am planning to do some extra work in terms of editing, in terms of some planning, in terms of some extra study. So I thought of vlogging today's day so that I can take you along with me. Now we'll have a shower, quickly freshen up. I already had my tea and my breakfast. And I will talk to you after I take my shower. So I am back. I have had a shower. I changed into my new clothes. Now the first thing in today's task list is to organize my wardrobe because it's been ages since I had last organized and cleaned my cupboard जो अभी पूरा mess हो चुका है. मुझे अपने आधे कपड़े नहीं मिल रहे हैं. I have to really I have to literally dig inside my cupboard and find out the clothes I want to wear. So we're going to make our life easier. We're going to we're going to clean our cupboard and find out and discover new clothes just in case मिले तो, और फिर हम दूसरे काम करेंगे. So task number 1 is to clean our wardrobe. Alright, so we are done with the first task of the day. It feels so nice to see a really clean and an organized wardrobe. So people who relate to me, please comment down below and let me know whether what I'm saying is right or not. Now the next thing which we have to do is order a pair of ballet shoes because मेरे जो ये वाले ballet shoes हैं which I'm currently using, they are like very old, बहुत पुराने हो गए हैं. And मतलब literally ऐसे देखो, if you can see, they are like threads coming out and they are literally holes. मतलब when I put my toes inside, my toes pops out. So it's very embarrassing and it's very bad. So see this. It's become really old and I urgently needed to buy a new pair of ballet shoes. So we are going to order a pair of ballet shoes online because there are no more offline stores in Mumbai. They are all shut, so the only way you can order it is online. So I found a website from where we can order it. So let's go. Yep, it's done. We have ordered our ballet shoes and it will arrive soon. So second task of the day done. Okay, so ordering the shoes, clean the cupboard, everything is done. Now we are going to sit with our journal and write down the to-do list which are remaining. Now I'm going to start studying. It's been I think 2 to 3 days since I have been now studying for some time in the entire day. So I have started studying FDPS, which is the main subject in physiotherapy. In FDPS, I have started doing the assessments of various joints like knee joint, elbow joint, shoulder joint. I have just started with knee for the beginning. So yes, we are going to study knee joint. Knee joint is comparatively easy and very interesting to study. And there are a lot of cases of knee pain, of ligament tear, of meniscal tear, and all of those cases coming up in the OPD as well. So it's really important to know the knee joint very deeply and properly. Let's start studying knee assessment.
I'm the kind of guy who doesn't think before he speaks. Words come flowing before I can stop the leaks. You're the kind of girl who likes to roll her eyes at me. I find it hard to believe that we can make a good team. I get this feeling morning till evening, and it won't leave me, no. I like the way your heart works, not cold like the others. I like the way my head turns when we're close to each other. Every night, you and I just lie awake, killing time. Cause I like the way your heart works. I like the way your heart works.
Done with studies. Now it is lunch time and it's become very cloudy now. बिल्कुल भी लाइट नहीं आ रही है घर पे. It's become very cloudy. It's full grey. I think it is gonna start raining in some time. Let's see.
Your heart works. It's the kind of thing where I don't know what I should say. So used to wondering whether my feelings might change. I think I lost the voice that's screaming, run away. Feels like
Okay, hi guys. I am up after my very amazing sleep. One thing which I really love when I'm at home is my afternoon sleep, because I am one of those persons who has this habit of taking a nap in the afternoon. Bachpan se, even when I was in school, I used to come back from my school, have lunch and then take a nap, no matter how small it was. But I have this habit of taking a nap or sleeping in the afternoon, and it is still there with me. It has really helped me in general, because when you take a nap in the afternoon, your body relaxes in a very different way. So I would also advise students to take a nap in the afternoon so that you rest well and you're ready for the remaining half of the day. I'm having my tea with some biscuits because it's raining outside. So biscuits, chai and barish goes very well with each other. It is 8:30ish and I have a meeting again today. आज बैले की meeting है at 9:30. So we have 1 hour. In this 1 hour, I have to prepare a small choreography for my kids in ballet. I'm thinking of doing that choreography first and then have dinner before the meeting, so that after meeting I can directly go to bed and do whatever editing I have to do. So yes, I will be now preparing a choreography, then we have our dinner and then we'll attend our meeting. After that we will see what we have. Is done. It is 11 o'clock. काफ़ी लंबी चली मीटिंग. मुझे ज़्यादा जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा, but it took really long, but it's fine. अभी 11 बज गए हैं and it's already late, but I really wanted to read this new book which I got today itself. I really want to start this book today. So we'll be reading this book and then we will meditate and then we sleep. I will end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video because I am really proud of myself because हमने बहुत कुछ किया. One thing is still left. We did not work out today. I had also planned to do some workout, but honestly I did not get time for that. So I think that's okay. 10 में से अगर 8 चीज़ भी हुई, so you should be proud of that. Yeah, overall it was a very productive day, very fun day, and we got to learn a lot of things. So yes, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please comment down below. And yeah, I will see you in my next one.
She really loves me, says I'm all she.
My phone is slipping through this tripod. I need to buy a new tripod as well.
I grew up thinking I would have to